Yeah.
Okay, AJ, you found it?
No.
Chloe, you found it?
Yes.
Okay.
I already finished it.
Oh, you already finished it? Okay, so it says the counter shows the area of the United States in square kilometers. What is the value of the digit of the 1? That's why I have this place value here. Place value chart here. So I'm going to plug in that number in my place value chart. See if you got it right, Jacob. 8, 5, 7, 4, 1, 9. Oh, this pin's going out. No. My pin's going out. So, what is the value of the 1?
100,000.
The hundred thousands. So, that means that number would look like this. Right?
Yep.
What's our answer?
C. I mean, A.
A. Yeah, good job. When it asks
I
you,
said C, but then I was like, wait.
no.
It's
No,
A.
no. So when it asks you what is the value of the 1 in this number, it's not just 1. So don't just think it's 1. It's whatever place that's in. So it would be 100,000. It would be represented or shown like this. This is your answer.
If someone thought it was 100 million, they would have put not here.
Yes, that's why you need a place value chart. Move my phone. Hold on. Let me move this. Not calling anybody. Okay. All right. Number 2. Remember, you can use this on your test. I'm gonna let you know. So it says, the expanded notation of a number is shown. What is the number written in standard form? So what is a number written in? So what's the value of this first digit? 6 times 100 million. It would be what?
600 million?
Yeah. So let me put that right here.
They're all blurry.
It's blurry.
Is it blurry now?
Oh.
I wish I could.
What?
I can't freeze it on here like I used to be able to. Natalie, where have you been at? Where's she at?
My thing wasn't charging.
Okay. We're in Math Binder test taking skills. It's behind all the pages that we've been working on. Quickly, come on.
It's in skills.
Test taking skills. It says week 2, test taking skills, page 1. Oh, I've seen quite a few people today.
Got it.
Got it? Okay. So, the next number, 3 times 1 million. What is that?
100 million.
3 times 1 million. We're in the millions. We did this one already. You got a 6. 3 times 1 million?
6 million?
Right here, this one. 3 times 1 million.
3 million.
3 million.
So that's in the millions place, and we don't have anything in the 10 millions place, so we just put a big fat goose egg. Right? Make sure it's right. Yeah. And then 5 times 500,000 would be
5,000?
5,000, 500,000. 4 times 10,000.
10,000?
And then 8 times
40,000?
we got 8,000 right there. We
I got the answer for that.
the 3 in the hundreds. Do we have any numbers in the tens place? We don't, do we? So we would put a 0 and then we would put a 5 here. Which one of those answer choices looks like ours?
We can eliminate F.
Oh yeah, for sure. F.
I got the answer.
What's the answer?
I think it's J.
Yeah, it's J, right? Because it looks exactly the same. So 603, 548, 305.
Oh, yeah. Because a goose egg.
Yeah, because if you don't pay attention to these zeros, that's where you're going to get lost.
Hernandez.
Yes.
J and H look really similar.
Yes, J and H look really similar, but they didn't put the 0 there.
Let's put a crack on the goose egg so it can look like an actual goose egg.
The crack in it. I should have made it bigger. Maybe next time I will. Oh, let me take this out. Ooh, my favorite problem.
Your 0 is fine the way it is.
Finish this.
Okay, so my favorite problems. So a total of 88,880 tickets were sold at the county fair this year. Which statement about this number is true? Leave the chat alone, Jacob. So I'm gonna put it in my place value chart. Let me move it up. So we're looking for which one's true. So the value of the digit in the thousands place, so this number right here is 1/10 the value of the digit in the 10,000s place. Is that what? Huh. So, true, false. So A is saying that the digit in the thousands place is 1/10 of the digit of the 10,000s place. So, let me write these down. So your answer choice is saying that this digit, this number right here, 8,000, is 1/10 of 80,000. Is that true?
Yes.
We already found our answer, didn't we?
Miss Hernandez, you forgot the commas in your thousands.
So yeah, that was easy. That one was easy. That was way too easy. Ooh. Let's see. This one's tricky.
We turn to the next page.
Yeah, number 4. How is the numeral 3,806,058,241 written in standard form? So, just like we did with our other ones, let's see. Look between the commas. How do we write each part of this number?
You mean parentheses?
Yes. So, how do we write this first number? What digit goes there in the billions place?
answer, I think.
Okay, what number goes in the billions place?
3.
3. So you're going to find your billion on here and just put a 3. So I'm going to put a 3 in my billion. Hopefully, right here. Okay, we got that done. Then we have 806 million. What does that look like? 806 million. 8 what?
806 million.
So, okay, so what are those
6,
numbers? 8,
5.
8 what? Is it 60 or 06?
It's
If I got 806. What is it?
6.
Huh?
6.
But where does the 6 go? That's my question. 'Cause it's
Goes in the 1,000 million.
right here. We're not even looking at any of this. 806. How would you write if I told you I'm going to give you $806? How would 806 look like? Don't even pay attention to the place value. What does it look like if you write it in numbers? Just 806. It's not a trick question. What does it look like? 806. What are the 3 numbers?
386.
No, 806. But what are the 3 numbers? 806. What do they look like? If I'm going to write them on my paper, I have my 8.
8.
It's not what does 806 look like? Don't even pay attention to the place value. Just tell me what 806 looks like. What 3 numbers do I need to write?
806.
So 806, is that what you're telling me, Adrian? Yes, no, maybe so?
Yeah.
Yes? I think you are just overthinking this. It just looks like this. This is what I'm asking you. If I ask you for 806, I want to know those 3 numbers. What does it look like?
8.
That's all.
806.
58,000 is the next part. This one's a trick one. It has a goose egg somewhere in there. Somebody said, Jacob, you already have this answer? What did you get? Okay, I think I know what you mean. So 56, it would be 056. And then 241. What is 241? 241. Guys, I hope you are paying attention because you are doing this by yourself. I cannot help you on your test. I hope you are paying attention and you're doing this. And it's supposed to be, it needs to be submitted online. So just because you're at home doesn't mean that you're not taking a test. What's our answer? Oh, did I write? Oh, I meant to write 8.
Miss Hernandez, is the test we're taking the first one?
Yes, we're not there yet. Don't confuse everybody. What's our answer? I meant to put an 8 here. I don't know why I wrote a 6. That's an 8.
G.
Yeah, G.
Yeah, it's G.
Our last one, and you're gonna do it by yourself. So how does the 6 and 761,405 compare to the 6 and 16,281? So we're gonna compare these 6's in here. Let me write this number first of all, I guess, to ask. And this number right here, what is the value of the 6 in this one?
100,000?
Nope. Look up.
1,000.
Right here.
10,000?
10,000, so it would be 60,000. What is the value of this 6 in this one?
It's 1,000.
1,000, so then 6,000. So that's all you need out of there. So how do they compare each other? The value of these 6, so this 6 is 1/10 of that. So that, oh man, I skipped one. Wait, they both represent 6,000. Is that true?
Yes.
No.
They both represent 6,000. You have the same, hold on, you can't see. Place value chart, this is what. They're both 6,000?
Yes.
Look,
Oh.
No.
Oh no.
160, 16. If I tell you a car costs 60,000 and you bring me $6,000, I'm gonna tell you to keep going with your check because that's not the same amount of money. That's a lot less than that. So no, they don't both represent 6,000. That's for sure. Next one, the value of these 6 in 761,405 is 1/10 the value of the other 6.
Gotcha.
So, B is telling me, oh, you can't see. Okay. The answer choice B is telling me that 60,000 is 1/10 of 6,000.
Nope.
No, right? Because isn't 60,000 greater than 6,000? Yes, I heard somebody say yes. Oh, once again, they both represent the same value. Do they represent the same thing? The same amount of money?
No.
No. Because they both have 6s does not mean they both represent the same value. So we got our answer choice, T. I already on a piece of notebook paper show you how to make a place value chart real fast before you start. Otherwise, you're not going to get this done. I don't have grid paper in the classroom. Let me show you. Oh, why is this blurry? You can use that page on your test if you want as like notes, I guess. It's what? Okay, so I'm going to show you. Oh, y'all, this place value chart, right? Remember this in your math journal?
Yes.
I would use
math journal?
I would use this place value chart to help you on your test.
But do we get our math journal?
Yes, you can use it.
Hey, can I go get it? Because I only have my
Whatever
other.
journal it is that you wrote this in, I don't know what journal it was. Look how I always plugged in my numbers in the place value chart. That is what you should be doing on your test. You can use this one and just make lines like this. Let me show you. And make it into a place value chart like. So you don't have to make another one. You have a place value chart.
Well, is there a 10 billion?
Yes, but we're not going to go over that. Look how I made a place value chart. You have your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, your 10,000s, 100,000s, billions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. I would use this chart to help you. Okay, in your math binder, in the back, I have the same binder y'all have. In the back, flip all the way to the back. Do you see this test? It says week 2 assessment, page 1.
Yes.
Get that out right now because that is your test. Only week 2. You don't need to worry about the other ones. A thumbs up when you have that. Everybody needs that out right now. Everybody that's here needs to have that out right now. And the expectation is when I go check, when you are at PE, that all of y'all have submitted your answers eventually.
You're breaking up.
Where do we find that?
In the back of your math binder, there's tests.
Okay.
Make sure it says week 2 assessment, page 1 at the top. Otherwise, you're going to be doing the wrong test. Everybody has it out and who's ready to take it?
Yes.
Okay, I got.
Is it this one?
Does it say week 2 at the top?
It's week 2 assessment, page
Yeah.
1.
It looks just like mine. It says 5 times 7.
Yeah.
Yes. Jacob, you have it out? Go ahead and start. Once you have it out and it looks just like mine, you can go ahead and start on the basic facts. I'm going to stay here with y'all, and whatever help I can give you, I will give you, but I'm not going to be giving you answers and setting up problems really, unless there might be one maybe I'll set up or two, but other than that, you're on your own. And here's the place value chart if you need it. If you want to make one.